Have you ever wondered how manufacturers ensure that every car part fits perfectly, every time? The secret lies in a critical process known as the Production Part Approval Process, or PPAP. This methodology is not just a checkpoint, it's the backbone of quality in manufacturing. Now, imagine you're at the threshold of launching a new automotive part. The PPAP checklist is your roadmap to success, ensuring that every component meets rigorous industry standards before full-scale production kicks off. First on the list is the design documentation. This is where every detail about the part, including specifications and materials, is recorded. Think of it as the blueprint for your product's success. For example, if you're manufacturing a brake pad, the document would detail the exact material composition and dimensions. Next, we dive into the engineering change documentation. This section is vital for tracking any adjustments from the original design. It's like keeping a diary for your product, noting down what changed, why, and when. Suppose the brake pad design was altered to enhance heat resistance. This documentation keeps all these revisions in check. Moving on, we have the material certifications. This is where you verify that the materials used are not only correct, but also of high quality. It's like a stamp of approval from material suppliers. If our brake pad uses metallic compounds, certifications ensure these metals meet safety and performance standards. Another crucial element is the performance test results. Here, the part proves itself through rigorous testing to show it can do the job it's designed for. For our brake pad, this would involve testing its durability and effectiveness under various conditions. We also look at the production part approval. This is the actual sample from the production line, not just any prototype. It represents what the customer will receive. It must match the golden sample in every way, ensuring consistency and reliability. Lastly, the Part Submission Warrant, or PSW, wraps up the PPAP process. This document includes all data reviewed, affirming that the part meets all required specifications and is ready for mass production. In summary, the PPAP checklist is crucial. It guides manufacturers through the meticulous validation of parts, ensuring every component is perfect before hitting the market. From design documentation to part submission warrant, each step is a pillar that upholds the integrity and safety of automotive manufacturing. So, the next time you drive your car, remember the unseen yet rigorous checks that each part undergoes to ensure your safety and the vehicle's impeccable performance. The PPAP isn't just paperwork, it's a promise of quality and reliability in the automotive world.